Abraham Lincoln never denigrated, never scapegoated, never finger-pointed. And he had reason to. I'm a little bit of an eternal optimist. People always say to me, if you go do this and it fails, what are you going to do? I don't care. I'm going to give it my best shot. That's what I'm going to do. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And I'll try again. The best way to look at any business is from the standpoint of the clients. Economies of scale are a good thing. If we didn't have them, we'd still be living in tents and eating buffalo. That's my contribution running a sound, healthy company that serves millions of customers well and employs hundreds of thousands of people. What else am I going to do? I'm not an artist. I'm not a writer. I'm not a musician. I'd love to be a tennis player or musician. I'm not. If business doesn't thrive, it hurts America. We need improved relations, more collaboration, more thought and more consistency as we go about trying to make sure we have the best country in the world. Not scapegoating and finger-pointing. It's great that people get together and collaborate, talk about the facts and the analysis, all in the interest of having a great financial system. Companies that grow for the sake of growth or that expand into areas outside their core business strategy often stumble. On the other hand, companies that build scale for the benefit of their customers and shareholders more often succeed over time. If you're blindly loyal to me, then you're just acting like a crony of mine. If you say you admire me because of the principles for which I stand, I understand that, but then you also have the right to call me to the carpet when you think I'm falling short. You cannot prove this in real time, but when economists 20 years from now write a book on the recovery, it may well be entitled, "It Could Have Been Much Better."